What's up, sweathearts? Welcome to the tutorial for Banga Banga by Mahone. Let's get started. We start right together, left together, and we walk right, hold. Left together, walk, left, hold. And we start with arms. They're going to come across the body. Left arm's going to come across here, and the right arm's going to come across here. And then we're going to swim with that left hand. Same thing the other side. So we start with the right foot, left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right arm, left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have out, right, out, left, out, right, out, left. Arms are elbows, scoop. Elbows, scoop, elbows, scoop, elbows, scoop. Together we go. 1, 2, 3, switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're feeling extra today, you can have a little jump there. Jump, right, left. Right, left. Yeah, left, right, left, yeah? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, swim. 1, 2, 3, 4, swim. Start with that right, left, right, and left. Ta. Facing the front. We start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Elbows, right, switch left, right, switch left. Ta. Then we take 8 claps around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pick up that left foot. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we travel for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left arm. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Travel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can drop into that hip. Pa. Facing the front. We did our 4 of these. Last one. Ta. And clap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shuffle for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot. 3, 2, 1. And time for the chorus. We start with that right foot. We're gonna go out and out. Banga banga. The right foot's gonna come to the front. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right arm 5, 6. Left arm 7, 8. Booty back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the left foot's going to come forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. As you bring the arms down the body, yeah. So we go right, 2, right arm, left arm, pa. Little step touch there. Booty back for 2, pa, and then close the door. Left foot, 7, 8. We're free on that left foot to push back left and push back right, and then we're going to drive a car up, walking, and then we're gonna jump rope back, reverse jump rope. Again, right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, left foot comes forward, 5, 6, push back on the left. 1, 2, push back on the right, 3, 4, we drive it up. 1, 2, 3, jump rope, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat on the other side, left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have left arm, right arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Booty back. Pa. And then bring that right foot forward. 5, 6, 7. Push back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back on that left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drive it up. 1, 2, 3. Jumper back. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the chorus. Let's see you facing front. We said 6, 7, 8. Right foot goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Right arm, left arm, booty back, left foot forward, 5, 6, 7, push left, back, push right, back, drive it up, jump rope back, ta, 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 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, left arm, right arm, 5, 6, 7, booty back, 1, 2, 3, 4, right foot forward, 5, 6, 7, 8, push back right, ta, ta, left, ta, ta, drive it up, and back, 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 back. Yeah, you'll notice that whatever foot is coming forward, to finish that door, that's when we're gonna head back on the diagonal. Yeah, so the weight's off it. Bum, 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 push, and push. Same thing on this side. Booty back, pop, pop, right foot comes forward on the second side, so right foot pushes back first, back, and back. Drive, and skip. So that's actually all the choreography. We start with those side swims. We have 4 sets to the elbow on each side. Ta ta, ta ta. We take that clap around the world with that heel. Then for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pa, 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 pa. Bring it left and sink into that hip. Da, da. Banga, banga, banga with the right foot. Repeats on left. That's all of it. Let's dance it.